This is my old faithful suitcase, seriously like a breath of fresh air for my 3-week trip to Europe. This suitcase is just a perfect size as a carry-on. Everywhere we went, we did a lot of flights in Europe. This time I went to Europe, it was with my family, and we did a lot of flights in between the countries we went to, and this fit every time in the overhead compartment. Really nice, smooth handles. I believe it stops at 2 levels, which is lovely. It is a 2-wheel suitcase, so it skates, so you have to lean it in order to roll it. This handle up top is just so cushiony and grippy. You know the mats that are in kitchens that you step on, it just like feels like you're stepping on a cloud so your feet don't get tired when you're in the kitchen? That's what this handle feels like. Both of them on the side as well. So I like having multiple handles to carry my suitcase. It's just amazing. And there is this little handle here that is great for retrieving your suitcase out of the trunk of a car, or to put it on a conveyor belt, or whatever you need to do on your suitcase. And this part doesn't actually touch the ground because it does have these feet here, so that's kind of nice. You're not getting your hand you're not touching all the grime that was on the floor. So wonderful. Okay, now let's get on the inside of the suitcase. Okay, first open panel here. It just has a couple of pockets. It does what it's supposed to do. It's lightweight, it's durable, and it's reliable. So this is just an open flap where you can put anything that's long, anything that you might need to access quickly. That's what I would keep here, notebooks and things like that, so that I can have them right away when I'm traveling. Then there is this top section here. It's not too big of a top section. I would put things like my sunglasses, any sunscreen, bug spray, or anything that I might need quick and easy while you're going from place to place, because we did a lot of walking from a taxi or hotel. I know from our hotel we walked to the cruise ship, and that was a little bit of an adventure going through the cobblestones in Venice, going over bridges and things like that. So having those things close and accessible is very, very recommended. These zippers here are locking zippers so that your main contents can lock. You can buy your own lock or TSA approved lock to put there. And when you open up the suitcase here, you have this main flap here. If you've watched my videos before, you know this flap is great to put things like your rain jacket, underwear, things like that that are flat. And the main section is just a really nice, it's very deep, and you really just get what the bag offers. It's a bag, and then you just get a lot of space. So I love it. It's very no frills, but it's also very reliable, lightweight, and it's just, for me, sometimes just having a basic bag is what you need, a basic comfortable bag. Like the strap is comfortable, everything about this bag is comfortable. So we do have compression straps here. So if you want to, so when you pack your suitcase, you can clip everything here and scrunch it down to save you some space. On the side of the suitcase here, there is a zipper where you can put some things that you don't want to get mixed with everything else. So if you want to put like your toiletries on the side so they're easy to access when you are traveling, that's great as well. When it's closed, this, I didn't realize how much I appreciated this until I had a suitcase that didn't do this. Say I was like, oh man, before I put my suitcase in the overhead compartment, I just need to get something out of it. I can open up this suitcase and I can put my arm in here and grab something really quickly, or items on the pockets on the outside I can grab really quickly if I forgot to like get a snack or something, so it can tie me over on the flight. I like that about soft bodied bags, because it's easily accessible. You don't have to put your suitcase down and open it completely as some of the other bags that I have. If you're not sure if this is the suitcase for you, don't worry. I compared all of the carry-on suitcases that I have so that you can figure out which one fits you and your travel style. So make sure to click the link on your video to get that playlist so you can figure out which suitcase works for you.